Susan Hines and I'm the site lead in Takeda Dunboyne Biologics. Today we're here to meet the best and brightest talent in our industry. We're looking for recent graduates, people who are going to graduate this year, and we're also looking for people who are coming from other industries and are looking for a change. We're investing $600 million in a new state-of-the-art greenfield facility in Dunboyne, County Meath.
I'm Billy Bolton, I'm BHS lead at Takeda Dunboyne Biologics. Our vision talks about our patient, and the patient is always the centre of what we do. And the people that we're looking for, we need to get them to understand that they work in a culture of what we call commit.
Paddy Gleeson, I'm the HR lead. The type of people that we're looking for in Takeda Dunboyne Biologics are accountable, engaged and also committed. And I think committed to how can we create better solutions for our patients. And that's ultimately what we're there, what every one of us are there to do, finding better solutions for patients.
Hi, my name is Annie Ahmed and I work in manufacturing. The best thing about working at Takeda would definitely have to be the people. It is such a teamwork orientated company. You get to work with loads of different people and everybody is so kind and so helpful and so friendly.
My name is Marta Baldacchini and I work as a quality control analyst in Takeda Dunboyne. Our culture is based on leading by example, so whatever we do, we want to do it in the best way possible.
My name is Shane Smith and I'm a bioprocess engineer. The best thing about working in Takeda is definitely the technology. As a bioprocess engineer, we are focused solely on technology. We are a state-of-the-art single-use facility involved in providing system integration throughout the whole site.
My name is Beth Butler and I'm a process engineer on the manufacturing technical operations team. We're challenging the current methods of how things are done and constantly looking to improve our work and improve the systems in which we work with. And feedback then as a result is a massive part of how we work. Giving and receiving feedback is extremely important of how we can better ourselves and in turn then better the work in which we do to get the product to the patients, which really is at the heart of everything that we do.